Namaste, my dear students. Today's topic is location of zeros of FIR filter. FIR filter, another name is all zero filter. If you see the difference equation of FIR filter, present output depends on present input, previous inputs, future inputs. After applying the Z transform, taking the transfer function, we will observe that there will not be any terms in the denominator, we will get only in the numerator. So obviously by solving numerator we will get a zeros. So it will give only zeros, no poles. Whereas IIR filter we will get poles and zeros. So what is the behavior of zeros of FIR filter? As you know, the impulse response is the H of n is symmetric or it can be anti-symmetric. If it is symmetric, plus will come, anti-symmetric, minus will come. We know already this. And how the frequency response will be, previous class studied. Now we are finding zeros behavior. Apply Z transform to both the sides. You will get H of Z equal to plus or minus Z power minus of n minus 1 H of 1 by Z. So we know that H of minus n, Z transform is what? H of 1 by Z. So because of minus n, here H of 1 by Z and delayed with minus n minus 1, because we can also write this as H of minus of n, then minus of n minus 1. So H of minus n is there, therefore H of 1 by Z delayed with n minus 1. So Z power minus n minus 1 using time shifting property. Now if here what is observation H of Z, H of 1 by Z equal. If there is a 0 at Z0, then there must be 0 at 1 by Z0 also. This is the another point. If there is a 0 at Z0, there must be a 0 at 1 by Z0 also. Then if H of n is a real means H of n equal to H star of n. Any real complex conjugate also same. Then what is the Z transform of this H of Z? Here H of H star of Z star. H star of n Z transform is H star of Z star. So this is the equation H of n equal to plus or minus H of n minus 1 minus n is also equal to H star of n, because H of n equal to H star of n, also equal to plus or minus H star of n minus 1 minus n. It is based on this. Then again apply Z transform to this entire equation. You will get here H of Z plus or minus Z power minus n minus 1 H of 1 by Z. This is already done above. Is equal to H star of n Z transform is H star Z star is equal to plus or minus. Here again H star is there. So wherever Z is there, Z becomes Z star to the power of, just observe this equation. Z is replaced with Z star and here 1 by Z is becoming 1 by Z star and again H star is there now, we will get H star. So Z star to the power of minus of n minus 1 H star 1 by Z star. So once this is clear, if there is a 0 at Z1 equal to R e power j theta, this is one possible 0, then its complex conjugate because h of z equal to here z star also there now. So z1 star. What is z1 star? R e power minus j theta. Then 1 by z is also there. What is 1 by z1? 1 by r e power minus j theta, because numerator coming to denominator coming to numerator, e power minus j theta. Then 1 by z1 star is 1 by r e power j theta. So this combination contain 4 zeros. Okay, under this category it contain 4 zeros. If there is a 0 at r e power j theta, there must be another 0 at 1 by r e power minus j theta, r e power minus j theta, 1 by r e power minus j theta. Because z1 is there, then 1 by z1 is there, z1 star is there, 1 by z1 star is there. So this will give obviously 4 zeros. Then what happens if r is equal to 1? If r is equal to 1, z1 value 1 by z1 value remains same, because r 1 by r equal. Okay. So z2 and z2 star, only these two are possible. Therefore, in this category, only 2 zeros. z2 value 1 by z2 same. z2 star 1 by z2 star is same. That's why in this category it contain only 2 zeros. For example, if r equal to 1, this is e power j theta, e power minus j theta. What about here again, r equal to 1, e power minus j theta. So this value will be same. And here r is 1, e power j theta. So that means z1, 1 by z1 star equal, 1 by z1 star is equal. So these 4 are reduced to only 2 if r equal to 1. Then if theta equal to 0, it contains z3 equal to r and 1 by z3 is 1 by r. Theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0 means it is in this direction. This is 0 degree. Okay. And z3 is r, and its complex conjugate also same thing. z3 is r means z3 star is also equal to r, because theta equal to 0. And 1 by z3 become 1 by r. So if you consider all these 4 combinations, if theta equal to 0, r and 1 by r only possible. So 2 zeros. If r is equal to 1, theta equal to 0 or pi, first case, if you take r1, theta equal to 0, this contain only 1, z4 equal to plus 1. If theta equal to pi, then z5 equal to minus 1, because angle 180 degrees now. So angle is 180 degrees means it will be located somewhere here. This is minus 1, because r is equal to 1. R is equal to 1, but angle pi, so this will be minus 1. So under Z5 combination 1 0, Z4 also 1 0, under Z3 2 zeros, Z2 2 zeros, Z1 4 zeros. So depending on the condition, how the zeros behavior will be. So type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 I have shown. Before that, you observe here. Z5 under Z5 only 1. Then Z4 also 1. This is Z4 is plus 1, 1 0. And Z1 1, 2, 3, 4. So Z1 4 are there. Z2, this is Z2 star. So 2 are possible. And Z3 and 1 by Z3, 2 zeros. If Z3 is there, 1 by Z3 is there. If Z2 is there, Z2 star is there. If Z1 is there, 4 are there. Z5 is there, 1. Z4 is there, 1. So this is how it will be located. I am not telling all will be there. If Z1 is there, compulsory 4 will come. If Z2 is there, only 2 will come. So that is the theory in this. And type 1 basically n is odd. But when n is odd, order become even. Order of that polynomial is even. So even order polynomial will give even number of zeros. So here one circle means must be odd if present. Two circles means must be even if they are present. So for n equal to odd, order of the polynomial is even, number of zeros are even. That's why here two circles, here also two circles. Means two circle indicates even, then only overall it will be even. Whereas type 2, n is even. When n is even, what is the order? Odd. Order of the polynomial is odd. So when order is odd, total number of zeros will be odd only. That's why if this is even cancel. So there is one circle must be odd. Like that T3, T4 you can understand. So this is how you can identify type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4 based on the location of zeros. So type 1, if it is there, two circles means even. Type 2, if it is here only, odd. Here if it is z equal to 1, if it is there, it must be even. Whereas type 3, z equal to 1 odd, z equal to minus 1 odd. Type 4, z equal to 1 odd, z equal to minus 1 even. Then only that condition will be satisfied. Then there is one problem. How this can find all the zero locations and the transfer function of a causal type 1 linear phase FIR filter of minimum length of it as a 0 at z equal to 0.5 e power j pi by 3 and a 0 at z equal to 1. So in the question it says there is a 0 at z equal to 1, there is a 0 at 0.5 e power j pi by 3, and also mentioned type 1 sequence. Now we have to find all possible zeros. So what is the solution? If there is a 0 at 0.5 e power j pi by 3, z0 star we have to find. So what is the complex conjugate? 0.5 e power minus j pi by 3. Then what is z0? 1 by 0.5 is 2 e power minus j pi by 3. 1 by z0 star is 2 e power j pi by 3. So this is mathematical, easily you can understand. So 4 zeros are possible. For a type 1, number of zeros at z equal to 1 must be even. For type 1, number of zeros at z equal to 1 must be even. Number of zeros at z equal to 1 must be even. So there must be another 0 at z equal to 1. In the question it says there is a 0 at z equal to 1. But type 1 there must be 2. So another 0 also there at z equal to 1. Thus we have a total of 6 zeros. So 0.5 e power j pi by 3 combination is 4 zeros and 2 zeros at z equal to 1. That's why z minus 1 whole square is one term, and these are the 4 combinations. Z minus Z0, Z minus 1 by Z0, Z minus Z0 star, Z minus 1 by, this is the 4 zeros combination. This is the 2 zeros at Z equal to 1. Now Z0 value 1 by Z0 above already done. Just multiply and spend some time to verify all these numericals. And this product will give a second order. This product will give second order. Z minus square will give second order. So carefully simplify. Finally, you will get a z power 6 polynomial This is what h of z change into z power inverse, because we have to find h of n. Then h of n is 1.4 minus 4.5, then 11.25 minus 15.5, like that. So according to the inverse, z power minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So those coefficient, write them here, and accordingly you will get it. So this is the answer. This is not there. Yeah, this arrow indicates symmetry. H of n is a symmetric sequence now for m equal to r. So minus 15.5, again these two values are equal. These two also equal. These two equal, and this one also equal. So this arrow indicates symmetry. And total 7 values. Left side 3, right side 3, center 1, total 7. M equal to 7. M equal to 7 is the odd. This is odd. But order of the polynomial is even, as I said earlier. H of n sequence length odd, but h of z polynomial will be opposite, even. So that point you can observe. So like this, with this information, we can find out h of n. So what is the question here? Find all the 0 locations and the transfer function of a causal. So transfer function is h of z, and h of n also we find out. With this I am closing. Next class we will study actual filter design, FIR filter design using Fourier series method, windowing method, and so on. Until then, bye. Thank you.